Okay, so in this video I'm going to be fixing what looks like a carriage jam. So if you've gone through all the steps and you've found that there's nothing jamming it, what it typically is this service station here. This is what cleans the ink heads, isn't it, as you can see, and that jammed. So what you want to first do is you want to turn off your printer at the mains and unplug it. The next thing you're going to want to do is get a bright light. So I've got my desk lamp here. And you may want a screwdriver. Anyways, as you can see, what there is in here is there's like a little black plastic thing that sticks up. It's under this one. Not sure if you can see it, but it's about there, and it's sticking up there trying to stop this moving forward. So what we're going to do is this black thing here, we're going to push it back just until it stops, because it's going to hit the print head. But what you want is you want something such as a screwdriver, which I have here, and you see you've got there's a rail here. Just push it back. You may have to use a bit of force with this, it should be okay. If you don't feel comfortable, don't do it though. But you're going to want to slide that forward. Maybe just move the print head a little just to unravel it. But as you can see, that's now all the way back. So what you want to do is you want to move it up and lift it, because as you can see, it's now just slid right out. So that's now free to move. As you can see, that was jamming it up. So now when I turn the printer back on, it'll reset itself. So in theory that should all reset back to normal. So my advice would be, although it says to shut the door, leave it open, then you can check it's doing it all correctly. So as you can see, it's going back in. And it's now working fine.